Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix desktop or laptop not shutting down even after clicking the power button on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, make sure all the foreground apps that you're not using is closed down. Make sure from the system tray everything that you don't need is turned off. After that, just go to the background apps from Task Manager. Just right click on the taskbar and open up Task Manager. From here, just close all the apps that is running on your background and that you don't need. And after that, just close this. And after that, try restarting your system or turning it off, and it should work. And if it doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to search and search for control panel. Then just open up control panel. Then make sure view by set to small icons from here. And after that, just go to the power options. From power options on the left hand menu, just go to choose what the power buttons do. From here, you need to turn off fast startup. But to do this, you need to click on this, change settings that are currently unavailable. So just click on this. After that, just turn this off. Click on save changes. And after that, just close this. Then just go ahead and try to turn off your PC and it should work. And if it doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to terminal or command prompt and just type this, which is power CFG H off. Try to type this command and hit enter and try to shut down. And if it doesn't shut down, what you need to do is just go to your settings. From settings, just go to Windows Update and Security. From here, just go to Windows Update and check for updates. And if you have pending updates, just update your Windows to the latest version and that should help. And after that, try shutting down your PC and it should work. And basically that is how to fix laptop or desktop not turning off even after clicking the power button on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.